Planning a trip to Amsterdam? Here are some must-visit spots you just can't miss. First up, the iconic Rijksmuseum. Dive into Dutch history and art with masterpieces like Rembrandt's Night Watch. Plus, the museum's gardens are perfect for a relaxing stroll. Next, the Anne Frank House. This poignant museum offers a deep dive into the life of Anne Frank and her family's hiding place during World War II. It's an emotional experience, but a vital one. For a change of pace, head to Vondelpark. This lush oasis is ideal for biking, picnicking, or just soaking up some sun. And don't forget to visit the open-air theatre if you're there in the summer. Love flowers? The Bloemenmarkt is the world's only floating flower market. It's a feast for the senses with vibrant tulips, daffodils, and more. Now, let's get quirky at the NEMO Science Museum. It's interactive and fun for all ages. Plus, the rooftop offers stunning panoramic views of the city. Don't miss out on the charming canals. Take a boat tour to truly appreciate Amsterdam's architecture and history. It's a picture-perfect experience. Finally, foodies, get ready for the Cuyp Market. Sample Dutch delicacies like stroopwafels, herring, and cheese. You won't leave hungry. So, there you have it. Amsterdam is packed with incredible spots that cater to every interest. Ready to explore?